Hey guys, my name is JH. I'm a gamer, and welcome back for another unboxing figure. Today we're looking at a figure from Max Factor, Figure EX slash 030, and I picked this up, ordered it from Anime website from shop in Japan. And today we're unboxing Snow Miku, released out in 2016, as you can see there. How cool! This is a Snow Owl version, and let's go and take out the box. First, have a look at the box itself. You got the accessories inside. You've got the different faces. This you've got Rabbit Yukine. Comes with the goggles. He looks so adorable. And let's check out the. Let's see, this be the right side of the box. You can see there, and then you've got the back of the box. Comes with the skis and Rabbit, the Miku, and then you've got the goggles as well as the snowboard. So yeah, okay. This is the left hand side of the box. Okay, so let's unbox her. Let's take this tape off. Okay. Okay, so let's take her out of the box. Let's get the flaps out, like so. Okay, let's set her down now. Okay, let's take out this sleeve of the box and just see what set background it is. And I'll just set the box just there in the meantime. And yeah, you got the inside the box. You got this stand. I don't know if you set the figure on or use it as a background. It says Figma on it, and it looks pretty cool and nice. Pale blue theme color. Okay, so I'll move that away. Now we come down to the package itself. So let's just remove this top bit and see that in the camera, just like so. Okay, now you've got the accessories and you've got the snowboard, and you've got the two skis, and then you've got the pole sticks, and also you've got the scarf. Let's check out the snowboard. Here is the snowboard, Miku snowboard. It's this pale blue, goes well with the theme, and you can see it's got the owl on the top of the snowboard, and yeah, looks pretty cool. Love the way it's done, the nice winter snow. As over in the UK, it's nearly coming to the end of the winter season, so I believe that's why I want to do this video today. So that looks pretty amazing. Then you've got the two skis. There you go, you got the nice two skis. Sorry about my shaky hand, but anyway, I only finished work not so long ago, and it was pretty cool and nice design skis. Looks amazing. Then you've got the two poles. I'll just remove everything out of the package and it'll be a lot easier. Okay, right, and remove the package out of the way. First, we've got the two ski poles. To me personally, they've done this in the yellow black, and I feel like they should have done this for the rest of the color scheme with the blue, with the snowboard and the two skis. as well as the rabbit. But anyway, I thought that's the only negative thing I would say. It was a bit negative, I would say, done this in the yellow polo skis, but nonetheless, it looks pretty amazing. And yep, and then check out the rabbit for the skis for him. Does it get his name again? And looks pretty cool. I don't know if it shows it focus well on the camera or not, because it's quite tiny, but pretty cute. The stand for rabbit, Yuri or Yuji, whatever you call him. Looks pretty cool. I believe that was flexible. Is it fixed? Yeah, it's fixed. Yeah. And then check out the scarf. That looks pretty cool. That's his headset, so it's pretty cool on his face. So that's amazing. Anyway, that is accessories. Alright, welcome back again. Now we've got Miku now, and check out her. She looks amazing. This is 2016. I know it's been a while, but since I got another Miku figure, I think the last one I got was the hair corner. You've seen it on my Instagram there. So the last Miku figure I picked up, that was from Anime website, a shop in Japan. So let's remove this package out of the way. Now we'll check out her herself. First up, we'll take out the instructions. Figma. I believe this is for to keep your accessories in. It looks pretty amazing. Pretty cool by Figma. Okay, that's pretty amazing. Yeah, and now we'll take out the base and instructions first. Oops. Now we'll check out the instructions to assemble there. This is the English. This is the English one on this side, and then over this side you've got the Japanese. It's pretty cool. That's to let you know how to put her together. And now we'll move on to this bit. It comes with the stand and the base. I believe we're going to have to use scissors to cut this, I think. Now we've got the base, and you can see it's got the figure on it. 2016. If we get it to focus. Probably not. Oh, here we go. It's got it to focus. It looks pretty cool. That's the base. Alright, to take that out of the package, and now you've got the different hands designed. So I thought that looks amazing. Pretty cool. And then you've got the arm. Actually, I prefer the older style arm version. This is the one I'm talking about. So you can move it either way. You can bend it down, and then if that's the peg for her to go on there, say, and that's to go into the base. So I will look like that. Anyway, so now we'll move on to Miku. Let's put that over there. So it just gives plenty of room. Now check out, we'll do the faces next. Just leave the package. Okay, let's see. We'll do this one first. Now you've got the nice prowl face of Miku. Looks pretty cool. I love the way her stare on the eyes, the eyelashes looks pretty cute. And then you've got the eye wink face for Miku. It's pretty adorable. So those are the two faces you can do to change her up, whatever you want to do, depending on what day. Now you've got the top bit for her. And here we go. This is Rabbit. He looks adorable, and he comes with the goggles and the scarf, and it looks amazing. And don't know what way I was going to do this, but I've got to show better on my hand there. But here we go. It is a rabbit, and this must be a separate piece of Miku. And yeah, comes with her nice goggles. It's pretty cool, so you can change it up. And now we'll finally come to Miku. So carefully take her out of the package box. So let's get rid of that out of the way. And wow, when I first picked this up and I seen it on anime website, I didn't think we'll make much of her, but when I see her out of the box, she looks absolutely fantastic, and she looks very cool. And I love these twin ponytails or tails, twin tails, and nice sharp edges on them, and nice cross twin tails. She looks adorable. And check out her goggles. Let's actually carefully remove the package. Okay folks, I'll be back in a second and I'll assemble her and put her together. Hi guys, I just put Miku snow version together. Put her on the base stand. She looks amazing, and it was pretty tricky to put it on, I believe, in here, especially in here, the hole at the back of her ski outfit. Yeah, sometimes you can wear, but once you get them in, there can be a tight fit, but they do go in, and it's easy to put in the next time. Okay, set her down here. She looks pretty cool, and here is the rabbit of Yurgi. That's his name. I find it very difficult to put his wee skis onto his legs, because apparently they're quite tight fit, as you can see here at below the base, and the holes are pretty tight. But I'm probably going to have to drill a little bit and to make it a good fit, and probably do a Miku review. But leave a comment down below if you want to see another review of this snow Miku. Pretty cool. Have her on the snowboard for the time being, and she looks amazing, absolutely stunning. You can adjust the tails to whatever suits you. You can go put it back like that behind her, and so she's absolutely amazing. Sorry about my steady hand, because of due at work. I do get my hands a little bit shaky after finishing work. But anyway, I'm off for about 3 or 4 days, so it gives me a chance to rewind and do more unboxing figures. Anyway, she looks amazing, and okay. Leave your comments down below if you want to see a review on Miku, and yeah, I'll do a review on her probably sometime next month. But that is her winter version of Miku. I decided to get her, and I'm glad I did. She looks adorable. And next I'll probably put on the skis on the next video, and next month. And yeah, these are her hands. You can change as well, and comes with different faces, the eye wink and her impression proud face. That's pretty cool. And you can change her scarf as well. That's pretty cool. And yeah, and then last thing but least, you can change her hairpiece to her goggles, so whatever suits in need. I believe I'll change this up the next time, but in the meantime I'll just keep her in the snowboard because it looks absolutely stunning. And yeah, I'll leave leave your comments down below, and if you like this figure, and subscribe to my channel. I'm JHAmAgamer. You can follow me at JHAmAgamer/Twitter, and as also I'm on Instagram and on Facebook page. And as for now, guys, I'll give you a close-up finish of Miku Snow version Owl. EX030 is the model of this Snow Miku Snow Owl version, and I'll give you a close-up view of Miku. And yeah, thanks for your time. See you next time.
Bye.